welcome everybody to another video, and we've gone exploring again and we've found a castle this time. And this bit's not the castle, we'll get to that in a minute. I've gone and done it again, I haven't fetched my light. And somebody else arrived as well. It's a pretty spectacular castle, or it used to be anyway. There it is. There's another family here, so you are going to hear other people. Let's go in and have a look. I'm just here. You know, this looks like it would have been an absolutely impressive staircase to go up, spiral staircase. But it's either been demolished on purpose or it's just crumbled because of time. But it would have been a gorgeous staircase when it's all there on the floor. Let's have a look round. There's not much to see. See if we can get down there. Oh, I'm not going to get down there, that way. Well, we just found another lift. I think we've just found another lift. Or some sort of lift structure. That's a long way down there. Right on the edge. I'm going up there. Right, let's go up here. This spiral staircase. And there is absolutely no centre in this one, so the old fireplace is there. I mean, it's going to be fun coming back down here. It's alright going up. And there's remnants of the handle going up there, guardrail. There we go. We're nearly at the top. Well, it's an impressive place. Absolutely impressive place. Let's go back down. Right, we've run out of handrail now.
are on the floor. I think not.
Oh, it's intact up there.
Is it fine up there?
Oh, it goes all the way up. Right to the top.
Fine, upstairs and shit. Oh, wow. I wouldn't go upstairs. Shit.
Oh, we've run out of light again. Let's see where we can go. Oh, we're right down the bottom now. I need to try and get my torch, or should I say my phone, because I haven't got my torch with me. Again. Anyway, this light adds a bit more atmosphere to it. Oh, look at this. This is absolutely found another staircase, but that only goes to there, and some form of pulley system between the floors. Somebody else made it down. Hi, you made it down as well. Oh, you come prepared with a torch. Lots of people here now. Oh, never mind, doesn't matter. You'll just hear them in the background. Got to be some sort of storage for the castle, this. I would have thought. Like that one, and small crypts. I don't think they're crypts by any stretch of the imagination. Staircase. I wonder where that staircase goes. We'll find out in a minute. Oh, there we are. We found the bottom of the lift shaft. You even see part of the mechanism. Cast iron fireplaces there. Three floors. This place is absolutely massive. See if we can get up here, see where it goes. Alright, this is where it goes. Oh! Where are you? Well, I hope you might have liked our little quick tour of this castle. We had to cut it slightly short because I probably would have got a copyright strike for the well, let's help little legs. There we go. Mind the spike. I don't want you doing any damage.